Yeah, hello guys. Now let's start the Spring Boot series. In this video, we are going to retrieve the details of user using by the ID. Okay. In last video, what we did, we get the all user. You can see that in previous video we retrieve the all details of user using this get all users. Okay. So in this video, we are going to retrieve one user details using his ID. Okay. So now let's start to work. Okay. So you can see that DAO user service this class. uh, in this class we store the details of user. So in this video we will retrieve the user details using his ID. Okay, so for that we just store the method public user and find one is a method name, and we are passing his ID. So what we have to do, I am going to write a method how to retrieve the user detail using his ID. So think, let if we want to write, if we are writing any method or any function to retrieve data, post data, so we can write n numbers of way. Okay, so we can retrieve using and post also, we can delete, we can do any function, any program we can write in n number of way. So now I'm going to write this function using the functional programming. Okay, so you can write in your way also. So firstly what I have to do, user dot stream, I'm going to use a stream dot filter. Okay, and I have to predict here, predict predicate. You can say that I have to write the predicate. What predicate it should be for that predicate? Predicate I have to write. Okay, predicate spelling is wrong. Predicate, yeah, uh, this one, this functional. Okay, so for that I have to write super and user, and what predicate I am going to do. For that I have to predicate predicate and I have to use the mm, lambda function user. Okay, user dot get id. By id I'm retrieving the data, so equal to this id which I am passing in parameter. Okay, so I, I I will pass the user ID inside the parameter. It will check, it will match that both ID is same or not. If both ID is same, so it will using this lambda function, it will using this function it will retrieve that ID and it will store inside the predicate. And then what we have to do, then what I have to do, find first means when it will match firstly using this id, it will take that data using get method. Okay, so just done. Okay, done. So here I'm doing, I'm just using, I'm retrieving the user details using his id. So this method is done. So now what I have to do, I have to write the controller, that means I have to write the rest api. So for that we created this user resource controller class. In last video we created uh, get mapping method to retrieve the all user details. So I have to write the another api. For that what I have to do, public user, last time what we are doing, list of user. You can see that because that time we are retrieving the all list of user. Now I want one details of user, so just simply user and get and simple, you can give any name of the method. Then this return service 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 dot this find one. Okay, using this id. Okay, done. Okay, I have to pass the path variable also. Path path variable. Okay, which type, integer type, id. Okay, done. Then I have to write the get mapping also for the url get map. Okay, done. Then user user slash curly bracket id. save it. Okay, so REST API is done and method is done. So now just run this program. Okay, let's see it's running or not. So we will check this API also and this API also. Okay, both REST API I will check. Okay, that running is successful. So come to here, this localhost port number is 8089. Okay, and users previous URL. Yeah, you can see that I'm getting the all details of user, but I wrote for the ID. So ID is suppose 1. So I'm getting the ID number 1, name money, date of birth is this. If I will pass the ID 3, so I'm getting the details of user, which ID is 3. Okay, so okay, done. And in next video we will learn how to post the user details using the REST. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.